There's a specific place of blessing I am sharing with you. These thoughts, a specific place of blessing, like Elijah told King Ahab that because the people had turned away from Jehovah and were worshiping idols, there wouldn't be rain for years. When God tells you to do something, don't reason it out, don't ask friends, or don't come up with alternative. Just do it. There's a specific place of blessing when you can do what God wants you to do, because sometimes you have to leave a friend who's pulling you down, or leave an environment when you compromise, or leave what didn't work out and move forward into the new things God has for you. Be quick to obey what you hear in your spirit. God is leading you to your place of blessing. There's a specific place of blessing for all of us.